Affiliate marketing is a popular and effective way for businesses to drive sales and increase their online presence. One variation of affiliate marketing that has been gaining traction in recent years is affiliate marketing with points. In this system, affiliates, individuals or companies that promote a product or service on behalf of a merchant, earn points for each successful referral or sale they make. These points can then be redeemed for rewards, such as cash or merchandise. This type of affiliate marketing can be an effective way to incentivize and reward affiliates for their efforts. One of the key benefits of affiliate marketing with points is that it allows businesses to reward their affiliates in a way that is tailored to their specific needs and preferences. For example, some affiliates may prefer cash rewards, while others may prefer merchandise or other types of rewards. By offering a variety of rewards, businesses can ensure that their affiliates are motivated and engaged. Another benefit of affiliate marketing with points is that it can help to increase the visibility and credibility of a business. By having a network of affiliates promoting a product or service, businesses can reach a wider audience and establish themselves as leaders in their industry. Additionally, when affiliates earn rewards for their efforts, they are more likely to continue promoting the business and referring new customers. If you're interested in starting an affiliate marketing with points program for your business, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, it's important to choose a reputable and reliable platform to manage your program. Popular options include Marketing, Commission Junction, and Share a Sale. Next, you'll need to set up your rewards program and determine how many points affiliates will earn for each referral or sale. You should also decide what types of rewards you want to offer, and make sure that they are attractive and valuable to your affiliates. Finally, it's important to communicate effectively with your affiliates and provide them with the tools and resources they need to be successful. This can include marketing materials, training, and support. Overall, affiliate marketing with points is a great way to drive sales and increase your online presence. By offering rewards that are tailored to your affiliates' needs and preferences, you can create a motivated and engaged network of partners who are committed to promoting your business. Hope you understand my explanation about affiliate marketing. If you like me, please subscribe channel Business Skills Institute and press bell icon to get fast update and notification from Business Skills Institute.